At first, when you're certain that you're going to die, you must cut all ties and attachment to this life. Confess from the depths of your heart any downfalls and breakages of samaya, harmful actions, and so on. Devote not even so much as a single moment to feeling guilty about your own negative actions, fearing death, or being attached to this life. Instead, feel happiness and joy and say to yourself, "Now I shall recognize the clear light at death." Or, if that is not possible, since I shall certainly use the bardo as an opportunity to travel to a pure realm such as Akaniṣṭha, Zangdokpalri, or Sukhavati, I shall be joyful. Maintain, without ever letting it slip away, the strong intention and thought, I shall travel to the pure realms.